Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have experienced at some point. The issue of missing files on your computer. Picture this. You're looking for an important document or photo, and it's nowhere to be found. Frustrating, right? Fear not, because we got a solution for you. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. The key lies in utilizing a data recovery software. By using specialized software, you can scan your computer or storage device for any lost or deleted files. These programs work by identifying and restoring files that may have been accidentally deleted, helping you recover your precious data effectively. Remember, prevention is key, so it's always a good idea to regularly back up your files to avoid facing the situation in the future. In summary, dealing with missing files on your computer can be a real headache. However, with the right solution in place, such as using data recovery software, you can navigate this problem with ease. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and leave a comment below with your favorite data recovery story. Remember, your files are counting on you.